It's vital for students to understand not only human communication, but how it has evolved and how it has been revised as a result of the introduction of mass media. Hi, my name is Margaret Demaro. I am the Program Chair for Communication and Media Studies at Post University. The wonderful thing about Communication and Media Studies is that it is so vast. Our classes, especially in Communication and Media Studies, tend to be a little bit smaller, so students can expect to get a really well-rounded education. We have 3 concentrations that focus in social media, strategic communication, and sports media. So they can really take the foundational skills that they're getting from the core classes in the program and then think about what their role is within the field, and then to really work with them to tailor that path and to make sure that they are getting those opportunities to do internships to get hands-on experience. It can be really critical to the success of the student, and I absolutely love encouraging them to look at the world around them in a different way, with different perspectives. I think that's really what drew me to this profession, and that's my favorite part of this job.